continue to talk about the remarkable Lazarus-like resurrection of Twilio. Here's a company with a very sexy concept. It's a cloud-based communication software play that helps app developers connect with their users. Think the text messages you get from an Airbnb. Twilio stock was red hot when it came public in 2016. Then the stock got eviscerated, giving back all of its gains in a matter of months. Last year, not that much better. Stock got hit again when there was some business loss from Uber. That makes its recent comeback all the more remarkable. So far this year, Twilio shares have more than tripled, from less than $25 to nearly $75 as the company's growth has reaccelerated, and then some. In fact, when the company reported last week, Twilio didn't just blow away the estimates. They also reported a surprise profit, which sent the stock flying from 63 to 75 single day. It may have been the strongest quarter we got from any technology company this earnings season. But after this kind of monster rally, we have to wonder, have we missed the move? Could there be more upside, or has the easy money been made? Let's take a closer look with Jeff Lawson. He's the co-founder and chairman and CEO of Twilio. Get a better sense of where his company's headed. Mr. Lawson, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you, Jim. Great to be back.
All right, Jeff, I got to tell you, I read every tech conference call. I follow every quarter. This was, to me, the only company that truly delivered an upside surprise that was like a magnitude of 2000. You basically did 2019's numbers in 2018. How could you have had accelerated revenue growth in this, your 10th anniversary of business?
Well, to us, it's the power of the platform business model, where we let customers build a wide variety of use cases on Twilio. And then with our usage-based pricing model, when our customers succeed, we succeed. And that platform business model allows us to address such a wide variety of use cases in such a wide variety of companies. We're seeing software developers drive innovation inside of companies, big and small, new and old, in verticals from retail to hospitality to real estate to technology companies and everything in between. And so it's the wide variety of companies and the wide variety of things they can build, coupled with a focus on customer success, that's enabled us to grow so quickly.
10% of all developers worldwide are on your platform?
Estimated, yeah. We've got millions of developers accounts on our platform, and there's an estimated 20 million developers in the world. So we're really excited. Of course, we see a lot of headroom in continuing to grow our presence with the developers of the world.
Well, I'm just going to read from your conference call. Communicating through SMS still a mystery for many companies, much less dealing with all the new channels like Facebook Messenger, Google RCS, WeChat, WhatsApp, Alexa. And, you guys are doing things with WhatsApp. I mean, that's 1.5 billion people, and that's on your platform?
Yeah, we're very excited. We announced a partnership with WhatsApp last month that allows developers using Twilio to actually reach customers, whether they're on SMS, of course, as we've always done, but now they can also reach those users in WhatsApp. And as you said, 1.5 billion users around the world who use WhatsApp, many of them using it as their primary messaging application. And so now that developers can address those users as well, we think it provides a new way to reach audiences and markets of the world where historically an SMS-only solution wasn't the best way to reach those users. Now we have WhatsApp too. That just opens up new doors for customers to build amazing things.
And I have to tell you, on the conference call, you made it very clear. I was worried about how late are we. I mean, you're just talking the beginning of the third wave of enterprise software and how most places are still on premises, and that means there's so much opportunity for Twilio.
Yeah, one of the markets that we've been in for a while is the contact center market, for example. And as a platform, developers can build just about anything. And so we see these hotspots start to light up. And the contact center was one of those areas. And when we started diving into these very large contact centers, I'm talking thousands of seats, thousands of agents using them, building a new solution on top of Twilio, we started to look into what's going on in the contact center. And what we found is a market that's very large, tens of billions of dollars, and 90% of that market is still on-prem, despite the fact that we're 20 years into this whole cloud thing. And so we asked why, what's going on here? And what they told us was, look, in the on-prem world, we could customize these solutions quite a bit, but with that became all sorts of operational complexity. It was hard to scale. It was hard to make these things global. We had downtime. It was really bad. And they say, okay, well, why didn't you move to the cloud? The cloud is supposed to solve those things. And they said, yeah, but you couldn't customize your solutions in the cloud. And so they started building on top of Twilio. And that's a really interesting dynamic that we saw because of our platform approach that allowed us to launch our newest product that we launched earlier this year, which is Twilio Flex. It's an application platform for the contact center that allows customers to build exactly the kind of contact center they need, because its APIs all the way down, but also brings them the reliability and scalability and security of the cloud. And this is our play to further disrupt the contact center market.
Well, the more I looked at it, the more I'm thinking, you know what? I'm looking at your company wrong. There are very few tech companies that I see have genuine moats. I can't even think how someone can come in and uproot you at this point. I think that you own this market. I don't see any actual Twilio competitors.
Well, we focus on customers every day, and that's why we invest so much in R&D, research and development. In fact, half of the headcount of our company is software developers building and advancing our product every day. And what we focus on is, number one, innovation. Because when customers build on top of communications platform, you want to know that platform is getting better every day, giving you new capabilities, giving you new reach into new markets every day without you having to do all that work yourself. But the other thing you want is trust. You want to trust that that platform is available, reliable, and secure. And so we put a huge amount of resources into trust, 5 nines availability, ISO 27001, SOC 2, all these types of compliance things that give enterprises the trust that when you build on Twilio, the thing you build is going to get better every day because of that innovation, and you can trust it to scale and be reliable. And that combination of things focuses our energy on customer success, and because of our usage-based model, when customers succeed, we succeed.
One last question. I know the volatility in the stock had to do with actually you were a victim of your own success. Some accounts just were so big, there was really nothing you can do. I love the checkerboard now of big accounts. There really isn't anyone that can hurt you. You've got a great diversification of accounts now.
Yeah, we've diversified our revenue base substantially in the last year, and we've taken our top 10 accounts, which used to be about 31% of revenue, we've brought them down to 17% of revenue, while growing the top line of the company substantially. In fact, our last quarter, we grew 54% year over year on the top line at almost $600 million of annual run rate revenue. And so we're really proud of what we've done, both in growing our revenue and growing our top line and focusing on that, while also diversifying our customer base substantially.
Well, I want to congratulate you. That's Jeff Lawson, co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Twilio. This one does have more room to run. What a quarter. Great work. Stick with Cramer.
Thank you, Jim.
Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.